So let's, instead of printing go to app and this comment enter the application, I'm going to call a function, let's say self.go to app, and this will give me an error because currently there is no such function in our view called go to app. But we're going to do that, and let's say mark navigation, and let's write private func go to app, and this should get rid of our error. And right now we are going to again initialize our view, which actually you can go here, copy this. You don't need this part because in our view we don't have access to the window. This is specifically thing for our scene delegate, but we are going to initialize the main view as we did before, but instead now we are going to present it, and we're going to present it modally. So I say self.present, and then we are going to present a present view animated. So the view we want to present is our main view, animated through completion. Once we presented what we want to happen, nothing we want to happen. So we just pass a nil. And let's see how this thing will work now. I go and run my application. And it takes me automatically in because I had logged in. Let's delete this and rerun. So we say iOS dev school at gmail.com, password, login. And now you see it takes us to the login view. But the funny thing is it presents a model presentation. So if I just pull it down, this will go away and brings back my login screen. But we don't want this functionality to happen. We want to present this screen and we want it to be like full screen. There is no option for us going back to the login view. If I rerun my application, it will just jump back to the main view because the auto login works. But here, in order to fix our code, is we're going to ask our main view to change its model presentation style. So I'm going to say model presentation style is equals to dot full screen. So this will tell my view that, listen, I want you to be a full screen and not this new iOS 13/14 model presentation style. So since I don't want to delete my application one more time, let's just go here and comment out auto login so it doesn't jump there, and we can test our login with a proper full screen. Login, and you can see now it's full screen. There is no way for me going back. I can pull down, but this brings me my what's this, home screen. So I can see the full screen, how it works. I can comment out so we don't have to log in over and over again. And now we have an option to go to our application once our user logs in.